What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a quick announcement before we get into today's video. SiteTastreet.com is live where we're featuring all kinds of merch of the Mark IV Supra that you see next to me. We have hats, shirts, hoodies, and posters available now. The link is in the description. Check it out. Guys, welcome back. As you can see, we are in the Mark IV Supra. Based on this thumbnail, you already know what this video is about. There's a bit of a controversial subject regarding this car and its future while in my possession. Now, when I say that, doesn't mean I plan on getting rid of it. This is my dream car. I don't think I would ever get rid of it, but hey, you know, we'll see what the future leads. But before we get into today's topic, this car is absolutely filthy. We're gonna drive to the local wash. We're gonna give this thing a bath, and then we're gonna go to one of my favorite spots for this car so we can talk about this subject. Every day. I'm driving right now. There's a wide body Audi R8 next to me. Jesus, guys, that thing is clean. And the Tesla gets in the way. Thanks, bud. We're at the wash. This thing is extremely dirty. I mean, I don't know how well the camera's picking this up. I mean, it actually looks really well on the camera. You can see it kind of down here, though. This car can't go in the garage because I have other things occupying the garage at the moment, so it's been sitting in the driveway. California's been getting a lot of rain, and I do drive this to the throttle shop quite often, so because of that, it gets a lot of the brake dust and whatever road debris on it. But I'm gonna get you guys propped up on a tripod, and I'm just gonna start washing this car because it's disgusting, and I don't want to look at it anymore. I have the Mark IV behind me. It's a really cool spot. I like getting photos here and stuff like that. But now it's time to talk about the thumbnail. What do you guys want to see with this car? I'm leaving it in your hands. We have two options. This car right now is a factory twin turbo Mark IV Supra. It's making right around 350 horsepower. We can upgrade the twins, slightly upgrade the fuel system. We won't need to touch the internals for the power band that we're going for. Alternatively, we go big single turbo. We try to chase a little bit of more power out of this car. Now, this car is already fun to drive. The suspension's dialed in. Everything about this car feels what a Mark IV should feel like, which is great out of a street car. Now, if we go single turbo, we're gonna go with a Garrett option. Go with the twin turbo option. HKS actually makes a twin turbo upgrade kit for this car. Curious, what do you guys want to see from this car as far as power goes and just the overall build? We want to try to maintain some of that period correctness. Another reason why I'm leaning towards just upgrading with the HKS twin turbos, because then we are still keeping a lot of this stock and just upgrading it from there versus entirely changing the turbo system and going completely different option that way. How could you ever hate this view? It's a bit of an overcast type of day, but to be honest, this is like some of the best time frame to record or like do videos, because it just makes the lighting perfect on this thing. With it being white, it makes it really hard not to overexpose. Colors, everything just pops, man. Like just looks so good. I love coming to this spot. What's your names? Miguel? Joshua?
Yeah.
Tyler, it's nice to meet you. So I'm taking photos of the Mark IV currently. Called them out of the corner of my eye. They were taking some pictures. What are your guys' thoughts about the car? Like what?
Yeah. We're like, man, we need a parking. Come check it out.
Oh yeah, that's sick. You guys rent the cars?
Yeah, dude, I love it.
What type of cars you guys drive?
I like both. I like muscle and JDM. I always go to the car show here in San Clemente.
Okay, nice. I haven't gone yet. Everybody keeps telling me to take us there, but I haven't gone.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
That's sick.
I haven't seen one of these in a while.
Yeah. Twin turbo, right-hand drive, imported from Japan, full Veilside kit.
Yeah, I think it's nice.
I think it's sick.
Alright guys, as you can see, we are back in the garage. We are home now. I do apologize for the audio in the last clip. I didn't realize the wind kind of screwing with the audio a little bit, but hopefully you guys understood what I was saying. We have two options moving forward with this car. We're gonna go single turbo, or we're gonna go twin turbo. Now the car is already twin turbo, so we essentially would be upgrading that with slightly bigger turbos, a little bit of fueling, and very basic mods just to get a little bit more power out of that stock block without overdoing it as a streetable car. Now here's what I didn't tell you guys. I already have a single turbo kit, and just to reference, it's ready to go. I actually acquired this Gretty turbo kit from Throttle. It came on the car that they used for their modern day Fast and Furious tribute car of the Mark IV Supra for Paul Walker. If you guys haven't seen that build series, I'll link their playlist down below. Check it out. It's a great build. It's probably one of my favorite builds that they've done to date. Now the kit that I got from Throttle has the turbo, it has the manifold, it has the downpipe, it also has the Gretty intercooler kit, which I'm actually in the process of restoring. The kit was in really bad shape. I went ahead and cleaned it up. I did this really nice gloss black finish on this using this VHT roll bar and chassis paint. It says that this paint's good up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. That should be more than enough for air cooling components without them getting crazy hot. Obviously, I'm not doing the turbo and I'm not doing the manifold with this, but as far as the intercooler goes and the intake, I think it's good. It looks great. It gives it a freshened up look, so if we do decide to go with this kit, it'll look good when it's back together. Now, I did mention that this kit has the turbo already. We would not be using that turbo. This turbo has a ton of shaft play, and I'll show you guys. I don't know how well you guys can see it in here, but now before we end off this video, I want to let you guys know that when we reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be purchasing a new project build for this channel, and you guys are going to have control over what that is. I'm setting a $5,000 budget for 5,000 subscribers. Once we reach that 5,000 subscriber goal, we're gonna begin this new build series, and you guys are gonna have full control over what we do to this car. And the best part is we're gonna try to do it in the most cost-effective yet very credible way, and you guys get to be a part of it. And I'm really looking forward to that idea. I hope that's something that you guys are gonna be interested in. If you guys enjoy content like this with the Supra and some of my other vehicles that you'll see on this channel, be sure to subscribe down below, click these like buttons, and leave comments. Let me know your guys' feedback. Let me know what you're enjoying, what I can change, and what you guys are looking forward to most. And don't forget to check out that description. This has been Tyler, and I'm out.